Say good morning. You had to vlog today? Yeah. He woke up saying that he wanted to vlog. What are you gonna do? It's 8 in the morning, 8:30 I think, and we all tired. It's dark in the house because I think it's gonna snow today. This little princess is a little bit fussy right now. So we're having her here because she's comfortable right here. I think she's just tired. She must just sleep. Guys, I'm making pancakes. Brody requested pancakes. So we got chocolate chip. So we're putting chocolate chip pancakes. We don't need chocolate chip pancakes, so I told him that if he wanted some pancakes, and so he said yes. It sucks that Majid has to go to work today, but it's kind of like a beautiful warm day. Cold, very cold, because it's snowing. Like it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be the biggest snowfall for this year. That's how it looks like. It might be, I mean, it's supposed to snow like 3 to 5 inches or something like that, but look at this, it's already snowing. It's gonna snow for hours. Look at that, you guys. It's beautiful. What it sucks is that Majid has to go to work later, but if it's really, really bad, like if it snows inches, he might not have to go, so we don't know yet. Is that green? Be careful. Hey, baby sister is here. No, listen. Baby sister is right there. Be careful. Eating, guys, fish with vegetables. Okay, so this 3 weeks, almost 4, we can say, almost a month, because about in 2 days she turns a month old. So I've been letting myself go and eating whatever I want, and I feel like I started gaining weight. So I'm like, no, I have to go back to eat nutritional things, and especially healthy things, because it's good. If I'm breastfeeding, it's good for the baby too. So I'm eating fish and vegetables, and I've been cooking grilled chicken and vegetables too. Look at this. This is crazy. This is what Majid has been waiting for. And Brody is about to go outside. What is it, Brody? Are you gonna go outside?
So that's what we're gonna use.
Because of no belt, he's using that. It's a little bit big, huh? That is putting your belt.
Huh?
That is improvising with his belt.
Oh, God.
It's not falling. You still have to put another sweater. We'll put a sweater and tuck it in. Put a sweater and tuck it in.
This is not working. This is not working. This is not working.
Look at the big booty. Mama keeps trying.
Yeah, get me that magic.
No, Mama.
Here. نه بابا 60 رو بکن اینجا. This one. نه بابا hold on. Wait, put your thumb in there. Put your thumb. Put your hands in there. Put your hands in there. No, put your hands in there. That's not cool. Here.
So can we go? Sis.
Are you ready, Brody?
Don't be ready, Mama.
Oh, there's a blizzard and they're outside. It's not cold. Hi, Brody. Are you liking this? Oh my gosh. Do not even think about it or like sending stuff to me. Wait, I need to. My camera is all wet now.
Huh?
I've been in here for like what, 3 minutes, and I didn't come out with gloves. I'm already stiff. Ready? Are you enjoying? Cover your nose, please. This is so much snow. Look. So much snow. Didn't cover myself like they did, so pretty much I'm already freezing up. But this is nice. Look at all of this, guys. It's kind of cool. This is our first big snow. He's so nice. He's playing in the lady's car.
No. Don't do that. Remove it. No. Use this one.
That's the neighbor's car. My camera had like 45% charge when I took it out. And it only has been 5 minutes that I've been outside, and it's already telling me that is battery drain. So I don't know if it's because I was taking pictures or because of the video or because it's very cold and my camera became very sensitive about it. We need to buy gloves for that kid because those gloves that he has, they're not working. They're just for the cold, but they're not for to play with the snow. So I'm pretty sure his hands are already cold. His nose was cold already. Too cold. I cannot feel my hands.